Welcome to this video demonstrating how to run an experiment in Witness Horizon 24 on Witness.io. To run an experiment on Witness.io, you first need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button on the title bar in the top right of the screen, and you will be prompted for your MyLanner login details. Enter your username and password and click the Login button. Once you have signed in, the Sign In button shows a green tick mark. If you hover over it, you can see your username and license details. When you run on Witness.io, the model file is automatically uploaded. If your model needs other text input files to be available, you can specify them in the Input Files field using wildcards where necessary and separating entries with a semicolon. These files should be in the same folder as the model, but you can reference other folders if you need to. Click on Run on Witness.io to execute your experiment. The progress detail shows all the steps undertaken so that you know where you are in the execution process. A summary of the current step is shown on the Run Progress tab. When the experiment is queued and it is waiting to execute, the Witness.io service is launching all the cloud cores needed and distributing the model to each of them to be run. Once Witness.io is in the Execute Experiment stage, the progress of each scenario can be observed on the Progress Detail tab. This shows all scenarios and replications underway, just like executing on the desktop. As scenarios and replications progress and complete, the progress bars update, and when responses are available from all replications in each scenario, they are shown. You may see scenarios progressing out of sequence, which can't happen on the desktop because Witness.io deals with the queuing of replications in parallel. This parallel scaling provides the increased productivity available by using Witness.io. The objective graph will also update in line with the availability of responses, so this may also populate out of sequence. As the queues catch up, the results are correctly filled in. Once the experiment is completed, any output files are downloaded to your computer, and all response values can be analyzed.